guys were wrong. TikTok was wrong. TikTok was betting on the wrong side. Limpy! Look out, look out. Huh? This a good one too. Oh, she know about this one right here, y'all. This Yoshi. This Yoshi. Yoshi. No, Twin turbos on the small block, dark block, you know, aftermarket block. Little aftermarket. Aftermarket block. We got Yoshi right here, y'all.
Hey, look out.
Yeah, let me get one, man. My brother was just asking for a beer. I'm finna give it right to him. Limpy done came up with a great idea. I already appreciate it. Okay, somebody say let Simba do a burnout. Yeah, I could let her try to do a burnout. Huh?
You know how to tell the groove?
Where the groove at?
We got a groove right here, baby. That's when you know it's good. It's tight.
Damn. They got a cheating method up here, y'all. Where my brother go? There you go. Look out. Oh, do Simba on the podcast? Okay, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna get her on there. Yeah, that would be a good one. That's a good idea. Good idea. Let me see. Yeah, I got that girl hand.
Yeah, but she didn't move it before.
Oh, okay. Oh, you behind me? Look.
Yeah, well, before people got in, like a fucking slow ass car.
Oh, okay. Dang, y'all, we done been skipped. Let me see, she moving it now, though, I think. Yeah, she moving it now.
I got a fucking race car up here, man.
She got a race car up here. She moved it up, y'all. They mad cause you late.
Who late?
Yeah.
Who mad?
I got a couple people mad.
Who?
I don't want you to have to confront nobody.
I'm gonna charge everybody up.
Nah, we don't need nobody. We don't want no problem. I don't want no problems with nobody.
Ain't nobody wanna race the cruise anyway.
Somebody gonna wanna run it. Oh, I need to find my battery charge. Let me see where my battery charge is. Where's my... It's time for the battery charge now, y'all. Dang, I should have had this thing on the charge. I know how to mess up sometimes. Look out. Not much. A quesadilla? Oh, yeah. I was looking for you. Excuse me. Let's see Here, hold it real quick. I need to get this charge out of here. What's up with it? Yeah, damn man. Oh shit, there's a lot of people on TikTok now. Hold on, I'm finna charge up YouTube. Hey, look how we got our Okay. Man, we got the charge on there and everything now, y'all. It's good now. Hey, all my people that's watching on TikTok, y'all, we live on my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing in HD. Everybody say it all look way better. So when you get over here to YouTube, let me know you just came from TikTok so I can go and give you a shout out. And press that like button. Look out. It's called Lookout Racing. Okay. Here we go, y'all. Okay, we got the 919 from TikTok just came in, y'all. 919. Matthew said it look way better. He just checked it out. We got Matthew from TikTok. Man, that truck turned up like a mother. Y'all want to hear some noise talk? Here we go.
Damn, bro. Take the unleaded fuel out that bitch, man.
Yeah.
You can't race with unleaded.
Oh, okay. He trying to race with that 87.
Damn,
It's all your fault.
Wrong gas.
Oh, okay.
Get my money.
Racing gas. You got some regular unleaded.
You got regular unleaded.